A new trial date set for Lori and Chad Daybell, both defendants appearing in Fremont County Court this morning in person as Judge Steven Boyce decides their joint trial will begin April 3rd in Boise. Caitlin Hart with our partners at East Idaho News was in the courtroom this morning. Caitlin, this is a big update in the case as we both know the trial was set to start in January before being vacated, and Chad's attorney wanted to push things back until next fall. So what was that discussion like this morning, and why did Judge Steven Boyce make this decision for April?
Right. So Judge Boyce heard arguments from both Lori Vallow's lawyers and Chad Daybell's lawyers on why they think that the trial date should be set on specific dates. So John Pryor, Mr. Daybell's lawyer, basically told the court that he received a thumb drive this morning from the state attorney Rob Wood with over 115 items of discovery on it that he apparently has never seen before. And so he was arguing that because of this, he's going to have a lot of time to go over them. Plus, he has 60 to 70 other items of discovery he still has to go over from previous knowledge. And so he was arguing that the trial date should have been set to no earlier than October 2023, if not sometime in 2024. Obviously, Judge Boyce did not rule that way, and the prosecution argued that it should be even as early as February. And so, the prosecution argued that it should be sooner rather than later. But Judge Boyce decided that it's going to be April 3rd, which is coming up quick, and it'll be here pretty soon.
What were some of the arguments made on Lori Vallow's behalf from her attorneys? What were they hoping for?
Right. So Lori Vallow's lawyer, Jim Archibald, argued that since Lori hasn't waived her right to a speedy trial, the court needs to set a date as soon as February 2023. So they were hoping that it could be within that range of what would be deemed a speedy trial, since she hasn't told the court that she is okay with it not being a speedy trial. He basically said that by their calculations, they couldn't have anything past February 21st, 2023. But even then, Judge Steven Boyce told the court that he is going to set it for April 3rd after having a lot of discussions with Ada County, which is where the trial will be set. That's just the date they decided on, since, Ms. Vallow's been in custody 2 years and 10 days today. And so that's a long time. And he decided that he wanted to make sure that she was getting the speedy trial that she hasn't waived her right to.
Right. Now, we know there were a few other motions up for discussion today. Were there any other big updates from the courtroom this morning?
Right. So there was quite a few motions scheduled to be heard today. One of the motions that was heard was a motion to compel, where John Thomas, Ms. Vallow's lawyer, argued that the prosecution hadn't been disclosing all of the details about meetings with certain witnesses. The biggest one that we heard was Zuluma Pastines, which is Lori's brother Alex Cox's wife. There was apparently a meeting with the prosecution that the court didn't know about. And so Judge Boyce he ruled that the motion was accepted. And so they have to be able to be further compliant with that. They have to make sure that they're disclosing every meeting they have. There was also some issues where addresses were missing on some witness statements. The other motion that was heard was a motion for a bill of particulars, which is very technical, but basically says that the court has to narrow down the exact charges in the indictment. They also were scheduled to talk about some death penalty things, to talk about why the death penalty is unconstitutional, why they should have it, whether or not that will be on the table. But that was rescheduled so that they will be able to talk about that with Chad in the courtroom, because his lawyer, John Pryor, is supposedly also planning on filing those exact same motions. So they're just going to try and do it all at the same time.
Have they set dates for those future court meetings, or is that something that we're waiting to hear from the judge? We're
still waiting. He is going to issue further scheduled dates probably within the next couple of weeks, but we don't have a date for that yet.
Okay. And now we also know that it's been a long time since both Chad and Lori were present in person in the courtroom at the same time. So what was that like this morning? And did you see any unspoken communication between the two?
I think the key word there would be unspoken. They didn't even look at each other. Lori was wearing a light gray blouse and some black dress pants with heels. She smiled at everybody as she walked in the courtroom. She was in there first and she sat down, and obviously there's no cameras allowed in the courtroom anymore, so we're all behind her. But as far as I could tell, she wasn't smiling after that point. Chad walked in and he was wearing, white button up and slacks. He was very emotionless, I would say. He kind of just stared at the ground. He didn't really say a word for a lot of it until the court hearing actually started, John Pryor was kind of like standing with his back to Lori, almost like blocking them off. But they were sitting at the same table, which was interesting. Lori was on one side and then her two lawyers and then Chad's lawyer, and then Chad was on the other end. So that was something that I thought was kind of interesting. But it is a long time since they've been in court together, since I believe they were first arrested.
Wow. Definitely interesting developments in the courtroom this morning. Caitlin, we really appreciate you keeping us up to speed on the latest developments in the case. As you mentioned, no cameras in the courtroom allowed, so we appreciate you filling us in. You can read Caitlin's full report on eastidahonews.com.